Yeah, so what are you going to do on your rainy Sunday off? Maybe staying home, reading books, or cleaning your room, something like that. But not for me. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel, alingviring240. Kumusta kayo amin po? Maabigaga at si kayo namin. Oh yes! Happy Sunday everyone! Right now I'm on the bus 137, so let's see where this bus takes me.
He was doing two different transfers. So they get the visa as long as I could see. Claro, bien hecho.
Oh no, what a rainy Sunday. So right now I'm here at the bus stop. I'm stuck at the bus stop. It's raining a lot and I missed the bus. I have to wait another 8 minutes. That's what happened when you miss the bus. You have to wait really long, especially in weekend. Yeah, I need to take bus 87 for another 8 minutes. I think that is a hotel. It's nice. That Hi. I see this funky grill. I don't know what's this. Monkey bar grill. Looks nice. That is the Battersea police station over there. A lot of pigeons. Ta-da-da! Come on, let's go shopping at Asda. Actually, I'm going to find something for my balikbayan box. And my friends actually are here, so I'm going to meet them here. They're also shopping. Come on, let's go and find them. Let's see some chocolates if it's for gift. I don't know. Yeah, so right now I'm here at Asda looking for the coffee. I don't know where they are. And I'm going to find my friends. I know they are here. Where are the coffees? Hi, ate!
Hi!
Nag-video ako.
Inaharap ko si
Nasa may
Si
kapihan.
Estelita.
Nasa daw kapihan. Hello, ate.
kapihan.
Ayan, naka-video si ate. Shopping, shopping. Ah, dito ba? Ay, ayan. Oh, ayan si Aling Estelita. Hello. Ano ba yan? Biglang umulan. Kung alam ko lang, nabasa nga ako.
Pagilid kaya natin.
Ayan, ang dami na nilang binili. Kinulpi na nila yung ano, yung pala. Puro cart lang pala laman.
Ate, alisin mo muna yan.
Ah, sana sinabit mo na lang.
Kaya? Yeah, I know. But then, alam mo na
Ayun.
kung ano yung mga pinagkukuha mo. Yep.
Kala ko naman puno na yung ano, yung pala.
Sige ate, itindahan mo lang ito. Yep. Ito ba kami nabasa? Alaala.
Pagbaba ko kanina, bigla ba namang umulan?
Anong kape mo yan ate? No, it's not mine.
Ito ako. Lakme prices. Sa ano 5 pesos ikaw yun?
Oo nga, shopping muna tayo ng kape mga idol. Hindi pala alingviring. Asan na yung kapeng bibili natin? Let me get one of this one. This is the thing. This is maybe just get two this one. Coffee. Big tin of coffee. Asda coffee. Nice, cheaper. Assistant tayo ni Madam ngayon. Assistant tayo ni Madam ngayon. Ayan. Let's go shopping. Ayan na. Oh, ako na ang assistant niya. Ako eh. Ayan si ate. Ginulpi niya na yung toilet. Ano ba yan? Kitchen roll paper.
Toilet paper. No. Ito.
Kasi ang taba niya, oh.
Shade ba yan?
Puro toilet paper yata ang binibili.
63, ano lang ito? 4.
Asan ang mas mura?
Mas makapal naman ito kaysa dyan.
Oy, oh, tinan mo. Taba.
O sige nga, tignan natin nga kung saan sinong mas mataba. Ayan, nagdiskusyonan po dahil sa toilet paper. Lidl ba, di ba?
Lidl.
Shopping muna. Shopping pag maulan. Para tayo. Oo nga pala. So this is what we do when it's raining. Do I have to queue now? Ate? Okay. Queue is really long. Okay na yan, bumili na si ate ng 1 year supply of
Ito lang siya. Kasi bibili ka na ano.
Alright, okay. Come on, let's move. So right now I'm going to Lidl and find some chocolates. Okay, here we are. Yeah, okay, let's see what we can get here. Excuse me, which one is the price of this? Hi. Okay, so this one.